Hello everyone and welcome on this new deeper analysis video on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So as you can see, my voice is not really clear. I have a strong cold and flu and I think it's normal in this time of the year. So therefore, please forgive me guys. I will not upload today any other video, only this one. And then tomorrow I will upload the weekly analysis on the Forex pairs. However, I'm very happy of my last signal on the gold. As you can see, it has reversed exactly from the given price of the buy and went directly to the take profit level, making over 570 pips of profit. Congratulations for those who have taken this signal. Actually, I have made even a poll here on my Telegram channel asking my followers if they have taken it, and thankfully around 226 people voted for yes, running in profit. So again, that's the reason I'm telling you, my friends, it's important to join our channel on Telegram to receive these updates and to stay connected to Xtreme Trader team, not only on YouTube, but even on Telegram. Here is the channel Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. So again, it was a great signal, and I hope it actually will continue providing these awesome signals on the gold. However, let's now delete the old signal. And again, please guys, forgive my voice. I'm doing the best I can to hold myself and talk normally. Anyway, let's now move to the weekly chart. All right, so our style here in Xtreme Trader is to always analyze the market based on the weekly chart and daily chart to confirm the direction. We want to know if the market is going to be bullish or bearish. After confirming the direction on these big time frames, we will move to the smaller ones such as 4-hour time frame or even 1-hour time frame to find our exact entry of the buy and the sell. So let's now start with the weekly chart to find the first or actually the direction. Now, as you can see right now, the gold has actually been respecting or actually reversing the level of a resistance at 2,720. Pay attention. Here, since November, the gold has made an actual attempt to break out from this level. Then again, December, and recently January is still actually trying to break out from that area. However, the price action here is different on the last from the last two attempts. Look at that. Here we have a strong bearish candle appeared after this attempt of to break out from the level of resistance, and then the second attempt we can see here a pin bar, which of course indicates a continuation in the fall. However, the third attempt, it's different. We have here three continuations of a blue candles, and that, my friends, tells us that the gold most likely is going to continue the rise for the upcoming week. Not only that, but what we can see right now here based on the weekly chart also is a resistance trend line. As you can see right here, actually we have here a channel, and as you can see right now, the gold has just made here right now a bullish breakout from this level of a channel. Also here we have a resistance trend line. Let me just zoom in to show it to you. Here we have a resistance trend line number 1, number 2, and recently we have here the bullish breakout from that area. Now this tail right here represents actually a support number 1, which means, or actually a support trend line number 1, which means the market has already retested the broken level of a resistance trend line and already created here a support trend line. So weekly chart confirms that the market most likely will continue the rise. Now let's jump to the daily chart to see if the market confirms the same. Now here on daily chart, what we can see right now is a Fibonacci retracement, and pay attention. Here we have another bullish breakout from 61.8. The market has actually made here a breakout from this level. Now, as we all know, if the market was moving on a downtrend, once it makes a bullish breakout from the Fibonacci 61.8, the market has actually changed the direction. It's now going to be an upper trend. It's no longer a downtrend. So again, what we can see right here on daily chart also is another broken level of a resistance trend line. And here is the channel. As you can see, here we have a major fake breakout. However, this was of course the real level of a support trend line, and then a real level of a resistance trend line, which recently has been broken out from. So therefore, what we can expect next from the gold is to continue the fall, to retest the same level of a previous resistance trend line, and hopefully creates a support trend line, and afterward it will continue the rise. Now, Someone might ask me, but Salah, here we can see in the past that the gold has made also here a bullish breakout from 61.8, but still resumed the fall. Even right here, still fell below that level. Even again on the third attempt, the market is still fall down below that level. Why do you think that the gold right now is going to continue the rise instead of repeating the history here? The answer, my friends, lies again in the weekly candles. Again, I have to remind you that here, based on the weekly chart, the price action here is different from the current price action here is different from the last two attempts right here. Also, never to forget the broken level of a resistance trend line, which was different from these two attempts right here. That's the reason I believe now the gold will continue the rise. So now, confirming the direction based on weekly and daily chart is going to be upper trend, or actually is going to be bullish. Now, let's go to the 4-hour time frame to find our desired entry. Here is now the 4-hour time frame. And here now we have to find our entry where exactly we can place our buy to start buying the gold. Now, in my opinion, let me just squeeze the chart like that so we can have actually a clear view on the market. Let me just tell you, my friends, that here we have, of course, a resistance trend line. A resistance level at 2,690. As you can see here, the market has made here a bullish breakout from this level of a resistance, and here already we have a support number 1. Now, if we look at the left, however, where is the nearest support on the same level to that level of a breakout candle? The answer lies exactly right here. That, in my opinion, right here exactly, the lowest level of a real support lies exactly right here. Let me just be precise to the maximum. I'm trying to line my lines exactly at 2,680. Here we have, of course, the nearest level of a support to this bullish breakout candle from the resistance at 2,690. And here also in the past, the same level was a support. If we scroll to the left more, we can see that the same level was in the past a broken level of a real resistance as well. Another reason to confirm that we can most likely buy the market exactly at 2,680, which means we have to wait for the market to fall to another 223 pips before we can buy it, is of course these support trend lines. Let me just show it to you. So right here again, let me just squeeze the chart. Let me now use the magic of trend lines. So here we have, of course, a support trend line. And by the way, speaking of that, I am planning this week to upload a video explaining why this strategy is one of the strongest and best methods in forex trading to find your best entries possible. Because I have seen in the comments some people actually don't really believe in the magic of trend lines. Some of them call it even your joke trend lines. Anyway, now here what we can do next is actually just clone or actually just drag and move the same support trend line that you have just drawn here at this level of a key support trend line, and just simply place it on the next level of a key support trend line. The next level of a key support trend line can be found exactly right here. So therefore, let's just now move this line and just simply place it right here exactly. Check this out. This is very precise. Now here we can see a support trend line has been respected even 3 times here, and then has been barely been respected as a support as a resistance trend line, of course, due to the upper trend movement or the bullish momentum. The market instantly broke out from that level, and check what happened. The market instantly respected the same level as a support trend line, of course, because of this strong upper trend. And now what we can hope for next is waiting for the gold to fall again and respects hopefully the same level of a support trend line and retest the broken level of a resistance level, and also respecting the nearest level of a support to that entry. So that being said, we can buy the gold exactly at 2,680. Now for the take profit level, let's move back to the daily chart. Now daily chart here shows me that the nearest level of a real resistance to our entry is going to be at 2,748, which lies exactly right here. That means that our take profit level will be around 674 pips of profit. No, sorry about that. Now for the safe zone. The safe zone, my friends, in this case, since we are actually aiming a big take profit level, the safe zone shouldn't be ranging lower than the previous level of a support right here, and the resistance as well at 2,655, which will be ranging for around 245 pips only against 600, let me just be precise, 686 pips of profit. And that will be everything, my friends, for the gold. And again, my friends, Please don't forget to hit the like button. This is the least you can do, considering that this poor man has made you this video while he's really sick. However, you can also join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal that you are receiving here. Again, this is the channel here on Telegram, Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. So until then, my friends, I hope this is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.